Hey, ladies.
Hi, Stephanie. Welcome to Loboc Bohol Resort.
Well, thank you very much. How you doing today?
We're good.
Oh, my name's up there. Look at that.
Yes, your name is there. You're always welcome here with us.
Awesome.
So
All right.
finally, you're here.
I'm finally here. We're finally
After 2 years
here.
of booking, you're here.
I know, it's been a while, hasn't it?
Yes.
Okay, well, we're off. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
All right. All right, bye-bye. This is their restaurant. Is it Vinaya or Vania? Vania's Kitchen. Hey, Pat.
Hello, sir.
Maybe 2, we'll see. Okay, so this is like the first section, I guess you might want to call it. So all these rooms over here, as you're coming in, are the river view over in here. And then over here are the forest views. Not exactly sure what this little hut is back here, but I'm sure it's one of the rooms they offer. That's kind of cool. They got these raised walkways. I haven't seen the water come up over here yet, so I'm sure that does happen on occasion. Cool. There's the kitchen, cafeteria, restaurant. Okay. Yep, that's section 1. Okay, let's see if we can't move over to the second section and the first swimming pool of the 2. Oh, this is obviously a banquet room. Here comes swimming pool number 1 down in here. That's all right. Yeah, let's go down this way.
And we can look out for the other side.
Yeah, that'll work. Honey, I want to go up on that walkway there. Yeah. Okay, we are now entering the second section of the resort. Yeah, the trees are pretty thick back in here. Which is part of the reason that makes it such a cool place to stay. Hey, hon.
This one, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, enjoy it.
Enjoy your stay. Please come back soon. Alright. So section 2. We really haven't walked. Huh?
Please come back soon. We will go next second missing one.
Yeah, right. Yeah, we haven't really walked through here too much. Matter of fact, I haven't seen a lot of people coming in and out of this area. Have you?
I didn't know. I didn't notice because we never been in it.
No.
Lately.
We always kind of walk around this section out on the road there.
Yeah,
But-
it's very dark before.
Yeah, coming through here at nighttime can be pretty Hello, sir. How are you? Okay, now once you get down to the end of the second section, you come back through here and there's like a little doorway that goes into the third section, which is the premier section. And you're not supposed to come back here unless you're staying in a room back here. Yeah. And then of course this is the pool that is dedicated to the premier room residers, whatever you want to call them. The people that are residing in the premier rooms. There you go. That's what this, that's where this, who's this pool is supposed to be for. So now we've been in here a few times already. It's nice.
Now your question answered.
Pool number 2. Showers right there, so you can rinse off before you jump in the pool. There's actually a little bathroom right back around the corner, right there. It's almost like a little lanai right there. It's pretty cool. All right, let's finish up with section 3, and then the road that brings you back down towards the office, front entrance. Yeah, so back here in the premier section, this is where you're going to spend a little bit more money. But all the rooms are nice, regardless of where you end up staying, what section you end up staying. If I wasn't staying in the section 3 here, I would be in section 1. That's my second choice. If I can afford to stay up here in the third section, I will. So we'll just take a quick scoot through here. Some of the rooms are being repaired, renovated. They took a beating last year, I know that. So, you know, during the typhoon, so I can only imagine that it's been a time-consuming process getting this place 100% again. I could be wrong, but I'm just kind of making an assumption, I guess. The river's out there. So now all the rooms on this side, on the left side, are river view rooms. And of course I already did a video on the inside of our room. I'll just kind of end this one here, or end this portion of the video rather, with a quick look out the back of our room. We did massages earlier. The tables are still set up. So yeah, it's really nice. We got the tub. We used it once. That's about it. I might use it tonight if I have time. We're leaving tomorrow morning, so you know, that's a big if, maybe. So, yep. All right, let's move on to the next section. We're gonna go out to Zen Island next and see what's going on over there.
Take my hat, Tom.
Take your hat. All right, babe. Coming, babe.
Hi.
What's that? Hi. All right.
We're
just
to Zen Island.
Yeah, we're gonna take a little walk out to this Zen Island. Maybe take.
I'm wearing my hat made in Cebu. Made in Bohol.
Made in Bohol.
Yeah.
So an authentic made in Bohol native hat.
400 pesos.
Nice.
After we drop off from the floating restaurant, there are some souvenir shops over there, and I saw this one, which I cannot find in Alamino City. They have some sets. They're selling some hats there, but it's so different. You see?
Yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah, you can squish it around and fold it up and bend it all around.
Mm-hmm.
So, what do you think? These are like sold specifically to tourists only?
No, actually, this one are made of. They call the nipa. Nipa were those this kind.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Those are this one.
Yeah.
Which is they called also buri.
Buri? Really?
Buri. B-U-R-I.
Oh, okay. All right.
So,
this is our last day.
last day here in the resort.
Yeah, last day here in the Loboc River Resort. The time really went fast. I mean, we got here last Friday. Today's Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
And Thursday morning coming around real quick. And we got to be on that plane headed back to Manila. So anyways, it was fun. Had a great time. We did a lot of video, boy. I tell you.
We cannot stay any longer because we need to go back and take care of our tuna.
Yeah, we got 2 knucklehead dogs we got to take care of. And yeah, we got to get back to reality. But we'll try to make it back here again. This was real special trip. This was long awaited. We waited 2 years to do this one.
We're here at the
So,
Zen Island.
all right, let's check this out. What we got? Zen Island, after you, my dear. Let's go.
This is where they do the picnic.
Okay. We haven't walked out here yet. You know, we spent, what, 6 nights here? Okay. What are you doing? Pictures? Okay, hold on. We gotta take a picture. All right. Yeah, it's pretty peaceful back here. We just had to take a couple pictures real quick. All right, we're done with that. That's cool. Hey, how you doing? Have some more orchids and whatnot back here. Oh, this is nice. Just a nice.
This is where you can choose if you wanted to
Sure.
have a outdoor massage.
You can do your massage back here, if you so desire. Oh, oh, cool! Look at this. They got a little path going all the way through here, huh? Take y'all back here and show you what's here. Oh wow. Yep. All right. So here we got like a little gazebo back here. Come back here and whatever. Sit around, relax. Once again, do your massages, I guess. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Well, there you have it. I hope you all enjoyed the video that we made here at Loboc River Resort. I know we didn't get everything, but I think we got most of it. We covered pretty much all the areas of rooms and both swimming pools. Brought you into the kitchen, dining room area. The staff at the front desk, they gave us a very warm welcoming, and they've been treating us like royalty ever since we got here. I mean, these guys are great. The rooms are fantastic. They're clean. The room, the housekeepers, they're right on top of everything at all times. And if there's ever anything you need during off hours, then you know they drop what they're doing and they help you immediately. The rooms are great. The atmosphere is wonderful. The people, the staff, they're just awesome. I mean, I didn't meet a one that I didn't absolutely adore. So will we be back? Yeah, we certainly will give it our best shot. There's no reason why we wouldn't. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we look forward to seeing you again next time. Please visit Loboc River Resort if you ever get the chance. I highly recommend it. Oh, by the way, the food is awesome too. So y'all take care, guys. Until next time, I hope y'all do well, and we'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.